TNM Printing House ranks among the most successful graphics companies in Slovenia. It has a rich tradition going back to 1958. In Slovenia, it is one of the leaders in the production of folding boxes and patient information leaflets, mostly for the pharmaceutical industry, which are used all over Europe. The company's success is based on a good track record, in-house expertise, and excellent product quality. TNM is a trustworthy supplier for the largest Slovenian pharmaceutical companies. It applies the high standards of the pharmaceutical industry in its production and also guarantees these standards to other clients. The company's entire production process is automated, taking place in a controlled atmosphere, supported by state-of-the-art information technology. The company is ISO 9001 certified, and the entire production process is organized according to GMP guidelines. By expanding and investing annually in state-of-the-art machinery, the company is constantly increasing its productivity. Particular emphasis is placed on quality control at all stages of the production process. Checks are carried out visually and electronically. After all, flawless product quality is the company's #1 priority. TNM fosters long-term partnerships with its business partners. They help them find technically suitable and cost-effective solutions and advises them on how to optimize ordering costs. TNM, with quality to success.